What is going on, everyone? Joe G here, and thanks for stopping by my channel. We got a little firework demo video here for you. We're going to be doing Ninja's Vengeance 500 gram cake from Canon brand Fireworks. Now guys, if you like these firework demo videos, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I will be doing at least 2 demos a week, all the way leading up, getting us ready for the 4th of July. Let's take a look at this cake here, and let's check out the performance. The return of the Ninja Revenge with spectacular titanium gold palm and color peony. Time, rain, and finale of titanium crackling flower willow. Straight up effect. Take a look at the box there. And of course we got all of our warnings on there. Alright guys, let's go light this up